Thanks, please. Teamwork. Eight and a half. I did it with no nails. Right. Don't show. That's it. Okay.
It's practical for us. That's why we're using this one. Repurposing this. It's from the kitchen before. IKEA cabinet. Yeah, this one kitchen.
You can be like this on the
It's
side,
very useful.
and you can work here.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I know it's very useful here. I could easily reach it, have no problem.
Hey, look. Steady.
That's it.
This is sharp corners.
And I actually we need this thing, the front here. But it's just extra money for us, so we don't have to buy that. It makes this steady. Now it doesn't move. It's very steady.
What the hell?
Very amateur, always mistake. But now it's being corrected. So it's done.
Done.
Up there we don't have. It's not like as fixed as this one, but then it's gonna cost money again. So we're gonna find solution for that to save some money. Improvise. Gonna hang clothes tomorrow, and here we're gonna put some. What's hila in English?
Shelf.
Shelves. Yeah, here shelves here, here, and here. So this is really kitchen cabinet. So it's free for us because we have extra kitchen cabinet. We just removed the door So that's how it is now. It's finished. We're done. This cost, how much is it?
But you know, this
99
wood
kroner. Like 10
list around here would
euros.
be a nice touch.
Yeah, but that's 100 a piece. For just the nice touch. I will not be here. I'm just gonna hang winter jackets and stuff. Things that I
I
don't
can make
use.
it on my own.
Yeah. Wash the floor first.
I washed it.
Already?
Just, yeah. Let's see this one.
The long one.
Burberry.
Yeah, my expensive jacket.
That time it's a
Coat.
little bit now is.
Yeah, there. Mm-hmm.